Hello learners, today we are going to discuss the MCQs from hospital and clinical pharmacy, that is nothing but HCP, wherein we are going to talk about the chapter Hospitals and their Organization Part 2. In Part 1, we have covered the MCQs related to the hospital's classification and all and their functioning. In Part 2, again, we are going to cover few MCQs from the same chapter. Okay. So, to start with Part 2, the first question is, it is the principle of working of hospital include dash. The principles of working of hospital include whether it's a टीम अप्रोच मतलब हॉस्पिटल्स का काम करने के तरीके में कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स होते हैं. सो ऑन व्हाट प्रिंसिपल्स दे वर्क, whether it is team approach, whether it is continuum, whether it is spectrum of services or all of them. So if you can put your answer in the comment box fast, like question 11 option D, question 11 option B, and so on, so that it will be easy for you people to give the answers fast, quickly. Okay, till the end of the video you are going to follow the same process. You can put your answers in the comment box and then you can verify them. The correct answer for this thing is, it is all of them, because working of hospital principles include, yes, very much correct, it is team approach, without which the task or the what you can say, whatever the working cannot be accomplished. If a team approach is not there, then continuum, okay, illness, wellness and continuum. Herein wherein you can find the continuum, it is comfort wellness zone and this is the comfort zone. Okay, so this is nothing but continuum from disease to good health, or the half region if you will say, it is towards disease and it is good health. Next question, so next thing is, it is services. Okay, services which are offered by the hospital, the spectrum of services. So this is nothing but, it is, you can see there are various services which can be offered by hospital. So this is about the spectrum of services. So the correct answer is, it is all of them. Next question is, the trustees or board of directors from the governing body of hospitals include dash. Whether the trustees or board of directors from the governing body of hospital include head of pharmacy, head of nursing, head of clinical services, or all of them. Which amongst the given is correct for the trustees or board of directors from the governing body of hospital? What all personals are there in the board of directors from the governing body? The correct answer, if you will see, it is heads, all the heads. So it is all of them. See here, you can see it is the constitution of the governing body, wherein you can find the heads of the departments. Okay, all the heads of the various departments from the hospital. A governing body is nothing but, it is a statutory responsible body wherein it is responsible for the running of the hospital, and it can make and guide the policies but cannot run a hospital day-to-day affairs. Only policies can be framed by governing body. Okay, so it is known by the various names like board of directors or board of trustees, governing body or management board. That's why the correct answer, if you will see, it is all of them. Next question is, in PHC, dash committee is recommended for some personals, whether it is Mukherjee committee, pharmacy, PTC or Chopra. So if you will talk about the PHC में जो मुखर्जी कमिटी है, ये specifically it is operating for the family welfare program. Okay, wherein you can see the Mukherjee committee is appointed. There are various other committees also, but it is strengthening of administrative setup of different levels from the PHC to state health services. This is specifically for the family planning staff. few staffs are there, health workers and all. For them, the Mukherjee committee is appointed, which works for the family planning programs. So correct answer is, it is Mukherjee committee in primary healthcare centers. For some personals with respect to the family welfare, you can talk about. The committee appointed is Mukherjee committee. Next question is, DGHS stands for dash. Whether it is for Director General of Health Services, whether it is for Director General of Habitual Services, whether it is for Director General of Health Society, or Decorum General of Health Services, which amongst the given is correct for DGHS? If you will talk about the DGHS full form, it is Directorate General of Health Services, wherein it is a repository of technical knowledge concerning the public health or health care. Okay, you can call it as health education repository, wherein the technical aspects regarding all these things are covered. Okay, so it is an attached organization of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So correct answer is, it is Director General of Health Services. Next question, at the central government level, the health delivery system in the Constitution of India is dash. Whether it is Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, whether it is Ministry of Health, whether it is DGHS or Health Ministry Welfare, which amongst the given is correct for the given question? The health delivery systems in the Constitution of India is, it is nothing but, the correct answer is, it is Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. At the central government level, the health delivery system is Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. If you will see, Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, which is having two separate departments, one is for health and one is for family welfare. So this is an central government body. Okay, next question is, DHO stands for dash. Whether it is for district health officer, whether it is for district hazard officer, whether it is for district health offense or district medical officer, which amongst the given is correct for the given question DHO? The correct answer is, it is district health officer by the governmental and military. DHO means district health officer. Next question is, this is district health officer. Next question is, CMO stands for dash. Whether it is chief medical officer, chief medical operation, chief medicine officer or chief medical offense, which amongst the given is correct for the given abbreviation CMO? The correct answer is, it is chief medical officer, wherein it is the title, that is CMO, in many countries for the senior government officials for the medical services, the heads of the medical services. Next question is, primary activities of good housekeeping include dash. Whether the primary activities of good housekeeping include bed making and linen services by the housekeeping official, by the housekeeping workers, or it includes general sanitation or coordinated work with the other departments, or all of them, which amongst the given is correct for the primary activities of good housekeeping in the hospital? The correct answer, if you will talk about, it is all of them, wherein you can see these are the various housekeepers who are working for the housekeeping activities. Next question is, the use of drugs for the purposes for which they are unsuited. ऐसे पर्पस के लिए किसी ड्रग का यूज़ करना जो उसके लिए अनसुटेबल है, इवन देयर अप्रोप्रिएट यूज़ बट इन इम्प्रॉपर डोसेज, मतलब गलत डोज में ओके उसका यूज़ करना. वेदर द टर्म यूज्ड फॉर दिस कंडीशन इज ड्रग मिसयूज, ड्रग एडिक्शन drug habituation, or drug abuse? Which amongst the given is correct for the question? The use of drugs for the purpose for which they are unsuited, even their appropriate use but in improper dosage. गलत डोज में अनसुटेबल पर्पज से किया गया यूज क्या होता है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज इट इज ड्रग मिस यूज, wherein you can find some examples here. The recommended daily dose is 1 pill per day, but the person is taking 2 pills per day, thinking that he will lose or she will lose gain quickly if the dose is increased. So this is one of the example. Then a person which is on the antibiotic therapy, stopping antibiotic in between before the course gets over. So these are few of the examples related to drug misuse. So the correct answer, if you will talk about here, it is drug misuse. Means what? Abhi now the condition is it is they are unsuited even their appropriate use. Here it is the appropriate use of this drug for weight reduction, but it is in improper dosage it is taken. So it is drug misuse. Next question is the consumption of drug apart from medical needs in our unnecessary quantities is dash. The consumption of drug apart from the medical needs or in unnecessary quantities, whether it is drug misuse, drug addiction, drug habituation, or drug abuse, which amongst the given is correct for the consumption of drug apart from the medical needs or in unnecessary quantities? The correct answer is it is drug abuse. Without there is a medical need, even the consumption of drug is continued by that person and in unnecessary quantities it is consumed. Like herein if you will talk about the abuse, abuse is nothing but the substance abuse which can be defined by the patterns of harmful use of mind and behavior altering substances. They alter both mind as well as behavior. Okay, so some substances which can lead to abuse are nothing but some prescription medications, marijuana, okay, alcohol, etc. So the answer is it is drug abuse, drug misuse. This for question number 20 it is D, drug abuse. Next question. With this we finish with few of the MCQs from hospital and their organization part 2. Stay tuned with us for the further parts from the same topic and the same subject. Thank you.